Right, so here we are back at the beginning, and I have got one treble, and one chain, and then I'm going to join. Okay, so I use an invisible join, so at that point just pull 4 or 5 inches and cut. And pull out the... And I'm using a tapestry needle. Find the stitch you're wanting to make. You've got your 3 chain, that was the first treble, 1, 2, 3. So into the next one, next stitch, front to back, and then back into the back of the 1 chain. And pull it so that it's the same size as a stitch. It sits neatly on top of the 3 chain that was your first treble, and then sew in the ends. Okay, so I'll sew the ends in properly later. Now, as you can see, it is still a bit squishy, but it's fine. So the next round is using the bright red, and these are 5 treble clusters. So again, it says join with a slip stitch, and this is how I join with a slip stitch. Holding the yarn in your left hand, make a slip knot onto your hook and pull. So into any of the 1 chain spaces, doesn't matter which one, join your slip stitch. So that's through, if you didn't see that, so into a chain space, yarn over, pull through the loop on your hook, and then pull hard on the short end, and it just snags it there. So a beginning 5 treble cluster is 2 chain, and then 4 trebles back into the same chain space. So but only do half of them, so 1, and leave the last stitch on, another 1, 1, you leave the 3rd stitch on, 2, 3, and 4. Now on the beginning 5 treble cluster you'll have 5 stitches left on the hook, all the others you'll have 6 because you'll have the original stitch on, and then pull through all of them. Okay, so then 6 chain, and do it all again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now a 5 treble cluster into the next chain space. So yarn over into the chain space, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 stitches, yarn over into the chain space, through 2, 1, so that's 2, 3, 4, 5, and again there you'll have 6 stitches on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so yarn over and pull through all. There, and then 6 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there you're going to do a 5 treble cluster into each of the chain spaces, 2, 3, until we get back to here. So it's 5 treble cluster, 6 chain, and I'll meet you back there.